Welcome! In this video, we'll walk through the step-by-step process to eFile 1099 forms using Zenwork Payments. Let's get started. From the Payer's dashboard, go to the All tab and select the payer you want to eFile for. On the Payer Overview page, click on the Tax tab. The Tax Documents page opens, click eFile 1099. If the forms were already filed, you'll see a list of all existing filings. To qualify for free 1099 filing, the vendor must be billed at least once through Zenwork Payments between January 1st and December 31st. If this requirement is not met, charges will apply based on the number of forms filed. On the Review Payer page, verify the business details and business address. If anything is missing or incorrect, click Edit to update it. The legal name and TIN must exactly match IRS records. Click Next, review the confirmation dialog, and select Proceed to eFile. On the box mapping page, start by selecting the tax year. You can only file for NEC and MISC forms. Next, map your GL expense accounts to the appropriate 1099 boxes. At least one GL account must be mapped. Once confirmed, check the consent box and click Next. On the Review Vendor page, select Vendors under Qualified for 1099. Click on the three dots on left corner. You can update vendor details or adjust box amounts directly on this page. Vendors under Not Qualified for 1099 must be moved to Qualified before filing. Select the vendor and click Next to continue. On the eFile and Delivery page, review the vendor count and total payment amount. Choose your delivery method. eDelivery for electronic copies to vendors you can also request from this page. And then submit the forms. Review the confirmation and click Proceed to Pay. Select a saved card or add a new one. Also add the address. Verify the details and click Pay Now. A confirmation message appears once eFile is successful. Return to the Tax tab to track your submitted forms. You can view details such as vendor name, filing date, tax year, total amount, IRS status, and delivery method. Here IRS status shows as pending. Once IRS approves the eFile, it shows as accepted. And that's it. You've successfully completed the eFile 1099 process. Thank you for watching.